All right, it's test drive time in a 1968 Impala convertible. Let's go for a ride. It's time for a test drive in a 1968 Impala convertible. What I'm gonna do is review everything about the car, try out all the features, windshield wipers, air and stuff. Of course, it don't have AC on this one. I guess first off, we're gonna drop the top. It's pretty hot today, nice and sunny. I want to drive in a convertible, so it's a good idea to try this top out. It's a little slow right now. Let me try to go ahead and turn the car on. See if that helps it out a little bit. A little bit faster with the car on. Supplying a little bit more juice to it. This is a huge top, as you can tell. We have a boot in the trunk that goes over the top of the convertible top here. It kind of hides it. All right, top's down. Roll some of these windows down a little bit. Like I said, we're gonna take off down the road. Car feels pretty good. We're going straight down the road. We're not pulling to the left or the right. Trying the horn out, but it's not doing anything. Windshield wipers, they do work. See if the radio works here. Radio works. Blower motor, I know it works good. It's blowing strong, so it does have heat and defrost. Take the rag off so it don't blow out of the car here. The kick down's hooked up. Brakes are really nice. A lot of power behind these brakes to stop this big old car. Our gas tank's reading right below a quarter. Pretty sure it worked, but we're gonna stop at the gas station to double check. Oil pressure gauge is coming up, our speedometer's working, RPM gauge is working as well. It looks like the temperature gauge is coming up. We actually got two oil pressure gauges, one on the dash up here and one down here that actually gives you a number readout. Only gauge I see that's dead is the battery gauge. That and the clock. Of course, the clock don't work. Gonna put about $20 worth of fuel in this car, check the gas gauge, make sure it works, and head back down the road. Gas cap's right behind the tag. We ready to ride. Just got our gas. We're gonna check the gas gauge. That's where it was sitting when we arrived, and it does work. $20 worth of gas, got it about half a tank, maybe a little more. Let's keep rolling. what I could tell, this is a very smooth running and driving car. Motor feels good. The steering's nice, just really smooth. It's pretty quiet too. Thing about this car, we got a little bit of history behind it. We know the guy that's owned it for a long time. He owned about 3 cars and sold all 3 of them to us at one time. That white Monty that we just got, this one, and that Trans Am, that black one. I don't know if y'all seen it in the videos. He owned all 3 of those cars, and every one of them is just nice. Trying the brakes out, giving y'all an idea. This thing stops pretty fast. Passing gears there. Gas gauge works. Looks like pretty much everything's holding strong. Temperature's still sitting good. Below halfway on here. Day to be riding around with the top down. Suspension's nice and smooth, but there's a big bump in the road up here we're getting ready to pass over, so we can kind of test it. It's right here. Couldn't hardly even tell. Not in this car. Floated right over it like a boat. We'll go back over it. I think this side of it's a little bit more harsh. Coming back up on it now. Nice and smooth. Well, this is going to conclude my test drive video. Hopefully y'all like it. You can check out 100 detailed pictures at my website at MapleMotors.com. Please check that out. A little info on each of the cars, all the inventory that we pick up. We post on there once a week. If you want to talk to somebody on the phone, give us a call, 615-822-4444. Be happy to help you out. You can also comment below. I'll try to get back to all your comments. I know I get a lot of them on there, but I try to answer all of them. If I missed you, just give me a call. Like I said, 615-822-4444. Thanks again, guys. See the white Monty I was talking about right there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and try to put this top back up. See if I can get y'all repositioned into a better spot where you can see it. Here we go. Top is weak going back up. Probably gonna have to have some help getting that one up. See, it's trying to pick it up, but I'm gonna end up having to have them help me. Most of the time it's gonna be the motor or just the oil not full inside the top helping it come down. I noticed when it went down it was slow, so coming back up you're gonna have to have help. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.